Sensational strikes again. Dashley Lace Unit 37 by Sensational is described as a straight style with lightly curled ends that have lots of layers going away from the face to create a butterfly cut. Butterfly cut is known as a haircut that features heavy layers at the back to create volume. There are several colors that this wig is available in, and if you want to check out the Sensational website to see them. The length is described as 25 inches, and of course it is a synthetic fiber, but it's made with 100% premium fiber. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy, and today I'll be doing a video on this wig that I finally got my hands on. It is the Sensational, hold on, let me double check. It is Sensational Dashley Unit 7 in the color Face Frame Hot Pink. This is it. It is so beautiful. It's got a middle part, just, you know, with the sides there, like half an inch or a quarter inch of parting space, and it's got 3 combs, a long comb in the back and 2 combs in the front, no band. This is the stock card. They have a few colors. They have face frame, I think it was like ginger, face frame purple, and they have the regular basic colors. I almost got it in the light ash brown, or is it ash brown? I'm not sure which one it was, but I almost got it in that one. I decided not to. I decided to try because I didn't see anybody do a review on this color, so that's like the inspiration for this look right here. Let me know if you like it. It's giving kind of like Valentine's Day. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. Oh, that's gonna mess up my brows. Hold on. Okay, now we're good. We are good. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, let me make sure I'm in the center here for you guys. Ooh, I think it's so interesting that a brand came out with a butterfly cut wig, so we don't have to do it ourselves. Couldn't wait to try this wig, and it's super affordable. I think it was like, with a discount code, it was like $20 or so. It's just super cool. This is how it looks straight out of the package. Brush through it. Oh, it's already tangling and it's not even in the colored part, it's in the black part, which is, you know, kind of disappointing. This is how the front looks. Oh, I haven't even pulled it down completely yet. It is a little bit, I mean, my head is a little bit bigger than average, and it's a little snug. It's not like, it's not gonna make me uncomfortable, but I must note that it is a little bit snug. And cut the lace so that my eyebrows aren't messed up. Start. If you see me looking to the side, it's just my mirror I'm looking at, and I'm using my zigzag scissors as usual. The lace, it's not as soft as like the outre one that I tried. The front here, I think they could have done a little bit better on the plucking. It's kind of a harsh line. I would definitely have to do some plucking if you're into that. I'm not really into that. I'm just gonna actually have to style some bangs. Oh, I kind of fix these bangs over it just a little bit. I don't know, is it giving butterfly cut? What do you guys think? I didn't see anyone try it in this color. That's why I was like, you know what, let me get this one and do something a little different. I do like it. I'm not sure if it's giving butterfly though. It is giving nice layers, but yeah, I'm definitely going to have to personalize it. Also, I'm not a fan of the shininess, so I'm gonna have to add some dry shampoo as well. And I think I'm gonna take my scissors and just kind of do the rest of this, just adding some more layers. Oh. And especially up top here. Just do, that will kind of add some more volume. I'm just gonna straight up go in there and do that. Ooh, there we go. Now we're getting some, you see, by like using the razor in here, I was able to get a little bit more volume, like how I want it to sit over my forehead. So yeah, this is the after and then this is the before. And yeah, I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna keep kind of trimming it until I feel like I've done enough. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I might go in because I do want it to still have a little bit more body, just to kind of rough it up a little bit with the razor comb. Just razoring some of that away. And when you do this, you want to kind of take it and turn it so that the part that you're razoring, you can't really see it once the hair falls back into the position that it's supposed to be in, or into that kind of curve that it's supposed to be in. So this is the before and then this is the after. What do you guys think? You think like it got any better or did it get worse? Let me know. But I think I like how it looks. Just let me know what you think. And I'm gonna go in with the dry shampoo. I know this isn't the best brand, but I'm gonna go ahead and just try to take off try to take out some of that shine. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray just into that center piece here so that it stays up like I need it to. I mean, not that much up, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Oh, and honestly, now I feel like we are talking about a butterfly cut, which I mean, it's not terrible to begin with, but it does, like, look at the difference, the sides, the shininess, you know, to me, I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but to me, it definitely looks a little bit more realistic on this side. This side is giving plastic, so let me go ahead and spray it. I've got to get another one, dude. It smells so bad. I think that's pretty much done. I'm tempted to go in with my flat iron and just kind of move this hair back, like to kind of flip it, you know, so that the ends lay how it's supposed to lay, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to use any heat. This is the final look. It doesn't really look like that, but it's okay. I mean, I don't know how they got the layers to kind of sit up like that in the picture. Okay, I guess that's how they did it. I think I'm gonna stop right there with the layering and whatnots. It's cute. Would I buy it again? Probably not, and here's the reason. So let's go through the pros and the cons. So the pros, the color is beautiful. It's a wonderful color, and it's been a banger since I think Vice Unit 10. Like, this color has been a banger. It's just so different and so unique, and it really does frame the face. Another pro is the length. It's very pretty. It's a very nice length. You get a lot of length for what you pay for sure. It's an affordable wig. Layered, it's pre-layered, but you do probably still have to go in and add some of your own. Not too tight, not too loose. It's kind of like in the middle. I mean, it is a little bit on the tighter end. If you were to put it on some kind of like spectrum and some little dial thingy, I would on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being loose, 10 being tight, it's at like a 7. It's good for like a little Valentine's Day kind of date thing going on. It's got the pink, it's super cute, not just my eyebrows and my shirt. If you do like a cute little updo, You can do a cute little updo with it. You can't really part it anywhere else. Like you have to stick with that middle part, and then you can add cute bangs. I think bangs would be really cute in it. Okay, so cons. It doesn't quite look like the picture. I mean, at least not to me. I don't know, maybe I just didn't style it right or whatever. But I think it's, you know, it's a little bit deceiving, honestly. I mean, it has the layers, but you do have to add some more. That's the con. I think you have to do a little bit more to this wig to actually go outside. I don't think you could, it's not a throw and go wig. I don't think so. Lace, the front, very disappointing in 2024 that this is what we're getting. It's not a unit that you can wear without doing baby hairs or edges. So just know that if you're gonna go into it, especially for the color and the style, and if it's affordable, then you know you can try it out. Tangling already in the black, like not even in the pink up here or in the middle here, but on the ends it was tangling. I mean, now it's good, like, because I brushed it out and I put some I thinned it out. For me, I experience less tangling whenever I thin it out with my razor. That's kind of disappointing, like in 2024, dude, and with your black hair, because I can't imagine how your colored hair would act. You know, I do want to try the light ash brown, but I'm not so sure now. I might try that on a different wig from Sensationnel. They tried, and I think it's so important to try, especially with all these you know, trends coming in. Like a lot more brands are doing mullets and butterfly cuts, and hopefully we'll get like a wolf cut wig. I really haven't seen any from any big brand, but that would be cool. That would be nice. A jellyfish cut. I think everyone's kind of scared of that right now, but that would be super cool. Just wish it didn't tangle, and I think the color distribution is beautiful. You do have to do a little work on it. On a scale of 1 to 10 overall, I would give this wig a... I would give this a 5. It's not terrible, but I most likely would not get it again. If you want to try this color, this style, and you don't mind putting in the work, or if you want to add bangs, you know, that you know, definitely go for it. But if you're looking for just throw on and go butterfly cut wig, this probably isn't it for you. They tried though. I think they're very close. I think they got to revisit this and maybe just add a few more layers into it and make it a little bit more realistic looking, so you don't have to add like all dry shampoo to make it realistic. That's my final thoughts on this wig. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will stick around to see what other videos I come up with this year. If you're following me from TikTok, thank you so much for coming over and for subscribing and joining me here. And I hope these videos will show you more on how I style my wigs and give us a chance to really sit and talk, because I know on TikTok things move so fast, so I can't really like dive into how I do my wigs, and I'm hoping that YouTube gives me the chance to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video everywhere. I think you can subscribe for notifications to my channel. I don't even know what level I'm at right now. I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm still learning about YouTube. Once again, this is Dashley Unit 37 in the color Face Frame 1 Hot Pink. If you are interested, check out the link in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I just bought it to try it out and to show you guys what's going on, because I didn't see anybody trying it in this color. Bye. So like, I just flipped this wig over and fluffed it up, and honestly, what was I talking about? Honestly, I think this bumps it up from a 5 to a 7. A 7. I would give it a 7. I wasn't familiar with her game. She just needed a little bit more time, a little bit more belief, a little bit more fluff. But this is how it's looking. Also, my eye is red. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, 7 out of 10. Bye.